Okay, good afternoon, folks. It is a kind of an overcast day, but kind of nice, cool weather, decent weather, I should say. And I don't know if you can hear all the birds again, just going to town. They, I don't know if everybody has birds like this, but it seems like here in Florida, or at least this area where we live, we always have a lot of birds. And it's nice actually. So, but anyways, yeah, new morning, new day, I should say, and looking forward to doing some things. One of the things I'm going to start on the van and doing and showing you is the solution that I think is finally going to work for removing the exhaust fan up top and putting in a plug that will allow the van to go through a car wash. And I know I've spent a lot of time on that and thinking about it, and sometimes the answer is right in front of you and you don't see it. And I'm actually going to show you what I think is going to work. So yeah, let's get started on that. Then we'll maybe work on some of the, I need to elevate the couch seat a little bit, and see what other little odds and ends we can achieve today. So, all right, let's get started. Well, I think I have this solution, and it actually came to me after doing the window inserts. I was thinking that foam gets pretty tight. I have to actually trim it sometimes if the window inserts are a little bit too long, that they're actually very rigid and they're waterproof. And so as you can see here, what I've done is actually created a little plug that will fit into that area and keep water totally out. And then to further protect the window insert from getting blown out from the pressure of the car wash, I'll just put this top back on there. So I'm going to leave this on there, and so maybe either today or tomorrow I'm going to run it through the car wash and give it a test. But I think it's a problem solved. Okay, one of the things I'm still trying to find a solution for is some of the storage, both underneath the couch and also for the wardrobe area. And what I'm testing actually is these little brown weave Sterilite, yeah, that's what it's called, drawers. They're very lightweight. They have a textured look to them, so they're decent looking, and they're inexpensive. I think I'm going to use this one here. The question I'm still trying to decide is, I got two other different models here. This model actually has rollers on the drawers, and then this is a cheaper model, no rollers, but it's wider. So I think what I need to do is basically get the battery, get the seat elevated and the battery in place before I decide which would be the better option. So that's what I'm gonna work on, trying to get that seat elevated. Okay, so I got some of the seat bases done. And what I've done is basically created these little risers that the seat bases will actually bolt through, so they'll be elevated, but it's actually not quite enough. I need to come up about 2.5 inches in order to get the batteries underneath the seat. So I'm gonna have to raise the seat at the bottom of the base of the couch somewhere as well. So not only am I going to raise it here, but I'm going to raise it a little bit here as well. So, but yeah, so I need to think about that a little bit more. I'm not quite sure what to do there. So yeah, let's think about that. For the last hour or so, I have entered the piddle mode, and whenever I'm in that mode, I can tell I'm getting tired. And this seems like today wasn't very productive. I did get the block inserts for these pieces done. That'll raise the couch some, and other than that, I moved the batteries in place. I need to develop some type of strapping method. I don't know if you can see into there. In order to get those batteries strapped, I've got holes created in the floor, and then what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to drill some holes into the fender wall and put some plates like this on the other side of the fender underneath to reinforce it, and then do 2 straps for each battery. Those batteries are like, I weighed them, they're like 64 pounds each, so they're very heavy, and I just don't want them flying around the van if, for say, we have an accident. So I want to get those strapped in solidly. Yeah, and then I got the roof vent waterproofing for the car wash solution done today. And tomorrow what I'll do is on the way to work, I'll stop into the car wash and verify that it's working good. So, but yeah, other than that, I think I'm going to clean up and call it a day. Just didn't seem like I had very much energy at all today. So anyways, next time I work on the van is probably going to be Saturday, and hopefully it'll be a full day of on Saturday. Hopefully it's good weather. So anyways, thanks guys for watching, and thanks for subscribing and commenting and all the advice that you guys give. Really appreciate it. And so until the next video, we'll see you later. All right, bye.